this is Hoops a Daisy, and today I'm going to show you a basic waist hooping tutorial on how to keep the hoop on your waist. So to start with, use a nice big hoop if you've got one that's slightly heavier would be better, and when you're ready, or one that comes up to as close to your belly button as possible. When you're ready, put the hula hoop on your back like this. Make sure it's spinning parallel to the floor, and when you're ready, give it a swing, and then the movement is a forwards and backwards movement like this. Okay, and then don't forget, try in the other direction. And if your hula hoop starts to fall down like this, dip your knees and wiggle it back up. Just give it a dip and wiggle back up. Okay, when you've mastered hula hooping on your waist, you could try taking steps forward and keeping the hula hoop up, steps to the side, and then slowly steps turning round. And don't forget to do it all in the other direction. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.